Hi guys, so today we're going to do some space nails. So I have started out with black. I think I'm going to need a piece of makeup sponge and I'm just going to peel a bit off with tweezers because we are only going to use a small piece. Now I'm using 4 different colours, but I am going to start off with white first of all. I'm going to go in using just the same piece of sponge and now go in with blue. Last colour is going to be a yellow. I'm not going to use too much of this. It can get a little bit overpowering, but of course if you don't like the shade you've got on your nail, just add some more of the other colours to dilute it. Next we're going to create the starry pattern, so we're going to use a striper first of all and create the 2 larger stars. Next, using a small dotting tool and white, we're going to create a few white dots. Lastly, I'm just going to use a scattered holographic over the whole of the nail. This is my own polish. This is Aurora, and you can find the link to my website down below.